So I know my hair and stuff looks a mess. I've been really busy. I am about to move into an apartment. I'm really excited because I know this is about to be the start of my journey, because I'm in the process of getting a house, but it's taking way longer than I expected it to. So this is my little, not little, I'm not, nothing I do is little. I mean, you get what I'm saying. Like, it's not a little thing because it is a big accomplishment. Like, I'm excited. My hair looks a mess because yeah, I'm about to take these things out. But yeah, so I'm on the way. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. What I love about this apartment is that it has a lot of room. Not a lot of room. It has a lot of what am I trying to say? Why did I move all my hair on this side? I literally did it right before I started recording. But what I love about this apartment is that it has a lot of DIY things that I can do. So from the kitchen to the living room, everything is DIY-able. So it's not modern, it's not like new. So that's perfect. That really does help because you guys know I am the DIY queen. And yeah, y'all gonna be getting bangers, y'all gonna be getting content. Y'all are gonna get videos of just how to, what the fuck? Videos of how I freak the freak out of this apartment, okay? So stay tuned. I'm so excited. Like, this has really helped me out tremendously. So like, yeah, I'm just extremely blessed and just ready for this journey. Okay, let me park, y'all, because y'all know girls can't drive. I'm just like, I can drive. Kinda. Depends on who you asking. I whipped that. No, I whipped that thing. Nope. But yeah. See y'all later. Walking in. This is the first closet you see. I'm actually gonna turn this into where I put the cats. Stay tuned for that video. Oh gosh, Tree, sounds like she's breaking stuff. This is the living room. Balcony. I'm gonna pimp it out. I can't wait to pimp it out. Hold on, y'all. Like, still gotta clean and stuff, but yeah, balcony. That's my maid. I was like, but she look good, don't she? Yes. This little area. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that too. Dining room. Kitchen. A lot of DIY potential in there. This is with the furnace and stuff. Bedroom. And my favorite area, the closet. It is huge, y'all. Like, it's huge. This is the whole closet. Bathroom. Bathroom, toilet. Shower. And I like this because the sink is separate. YouTube! So, perfect. And then I'm gonna put my little chair right there so then I can sit right here and talk to you guys while I'm doing my hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my little apartment. I'm excited to DIY, renovate, all that stuff. I'm just ready to make project content for you guys, so that is pretty exciting. Especially in this bathroom. This bathroom, y'all gonna know. I can't wait to decorate it. Y'all are just gonna be here, so we're gonna have a lot of content coming soon. Let me turn all the lights off. No, gotta pay for that. But yeah, like, a lot of content coming soon, you guys. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And yeah, see you guys later.